Why is Onpassive creating its in-house verification system? What is a verification system? System verification is a set of actions used to check the correctness of any element, such as a system element, a system, a document, a service, a task, a requirement. These types of actions are planned and carried out throughout the life cycle of the system. What are the four methods of verification? The four fundamental methods of verification are inspection, demonstration, test, and analysis. The four methods are somewhat hierarchical in nature, as each verifies requirements of a product or system with increasing rigor, which is the most popular verification technique. 6 of the most commonly used methods of verifying a customer's identity. Third knowledge-based authentication 2, two-factor authentication 3, credit bureau-based authentication 4, database methods 5, online verification 6, biometric verification. What does it mean to develop a verification system? The purpose of system verification is to ensure that the manufactured design will meet the established specifications and requirements. What are the 3 most common methods used to verify identity? Many important processes require the applicant to complete identity verification to prove that they are who they claim to be. Methods include facial verification, fingerprint matching, and comparing biometric data from verified sources to the person being checked. How do companies verify identity? This works by comparing the data a person sends over, whether that's a document such as a passport or biometric data such as a picture of their face, and comparing that against a verified dataset. This can include government records, credit references, or even mobile data. What is the best way to verify identity? Examples include a social security card, credit card, utility bill with correct name and address on it, school ID card, etc. But remember, these are something you have means of verification if they do not contain a photo. What is the difference between verify and authenticate? Verification and authentication are 2 sides of the same coin. Verification is the process of validating the information provided by the customer to confirm its authenticity. On the other hand, authentication is the process of determining whether the person attempting to access an account is authorized to do so. What are verification costs? Verification costs means all third-party costs and fees associated with verification checks. Onpassive will not use third-party verification companies. In fact, when Onpassive in-house verification system is complete, Onpassive will not charge any of its users anything for verification. Hold on to your hats. Are you sitting down? Stand up and give Onpassive a standing ovation. Onpassive will pay its users 10 O coins with a value of $10 when users verify their identity. With that verification system, Onpassive becomes a third-party verification system provider that can market its system to the world. Who stands to benefit when that happens? Onpassive, revenue on steroids, early bird affiliates, love Onpassive. What are the 2 methods that are commonly used in verification? 2 main methods of verification: double entry and manual verification. What is facial recognition technology for identity verification? Facial recognition systems based on artificial intelligence make it possible to verify a person's real identity by linking that identity with an inherent and unique element of human beings, their face. These technologies' advances in the last decades offer an accuracy greater than 99%. Does the US government use facial recognition? Fast facts. 7 law enforcement agencies in the Departments of Homeland Security and Justice reported using facial recognition services that quickly search through billions of photos of faces to help identify a suspect in a crime scene image. What is the difference between facial verification and facial recognition? Face verification, a type of biometric authentication that uses an individual's biological characteristics to validate that the user is who they claim to be. Face recognition, a biometric software app that identifies or verifies a person by matching and analyzing patterns based on the individual's facial contours. What is KYC verification? KYC is simply the process of authenticating or verifying a customer's identity and address details before availing of any financial offerings. What is an example of KYC verification? A Know Your Customer (KYC) document refers to formal documentation such as a passport or utility bill which can verify the identity and address of a customer. What documents are required for KYC verification? KYC documents individual's passport, voter's identity card, driving license, Aadhaar letter card, NREGA card, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Do you have to pay for KYC verification? You should fill the KYC form when you are opening a new bank account or if there is any change to your personal details such as name or proof of address. The process of filling out and verifying these documents can cost anywhere from $100 to $1,000 depending on how much information needs to be verified. Why are we talking about KYC and verifying systems? Because Onpassive is about to launch a verification system that is going to be the talk of every business owner, government, anyone who needs it. All people associated with Onpassive will be paid to get verified.